If you go to the software update menu on your iPhone, you might have noticed the little option there that says beta updates. And what exactly are beta updates? And should you install them? A beta update is basically an early version of an upcoming iOS release. Apple puts these out before the official launch, so developers and regular users can test new features and, more importantly, help find bugs. Now, there's usually two types of betas. Developer betas, which come out first and are the most unstable, and public betas, which come a bit later and are generally a little more polished, but still not perfect. The main reason people install beta updates is to get access to new features early. You might see new design changes, new settings, or completely new tools months before everyone else. But there's a trade-off, kind of a big one. Beta software can be buggy. Apps might crash, battery life can be worse, and certain features might not work as expected. In some cases, apps like banking apps or work-related tools might not work at all. So, who should install these beta updates? If you like testing new features, don't mind occasional bugs, and you're okay troubleshooting issues, beta updates can be fun to try. But if this is your main phone, and you rely on it every day for work, messaging, banking, or anything important, you're usually better off sticking with the official, stable releases. A good middle ground is installing the public beta instead of the developer beta. It's still early access, but typically a bit more stable. Or if you have a spare iPhone, use that for the beta versions. And that's the quick breakdown. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more simple iPhone guides like this.